Hello everyone, welcome to Standard 4th in the first session of EVS 2. EVS 2 is related with the history subject, which is a totally new subject for you. My dear students, don't afraid or frightened for this subject. This is history, a very interesting part for your curriculum as well as for your lifelong period. Now, question must have arise in your mind that what is history? So, see students, the study of past events, particularly in a human affairs. These events are whole series of past events connected with a particular person or thing. For example, the history of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Okay, but now you will say that why we only want to study history? So, the study of history gives us our Indian culture's information and tradition, non-discrimination in the society, learn about past events and their causes, to safeguard our nation from enemy attack, how India got freedom, and who were those great people who have given their lion's share for granting us freedom. Wow, this is a great thing. Now you will think that this much we want to study in 1 year. So, see my dear students, this year what we want to study with the help of this book. Whichever things just I told you to study those all the things, you are too little. So, this year you are going to study the history of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Shivaji Maharaj, who not only belonged to Maharashtra or India, but whole world. Whole world has accepted him as a great and ideal king. So, students, aren't you interested and excited? Yes, I know you all are very excited because when I will show you the front page of your history textbook, you will surely get some of the new ideas in your mind. So, my little angels, see this front page very carefully. Now, you will think that I too could be Shivaji Maharaj. Sit on a horse, take a sword in the hand and shield on the back and get ready to establish my own Swaraj, where not only me but all the people in my kingdom will be the kings, and I will start democracy in the country. Am I correct? So, my dear students, Shivaji Maharaj was a great person, and you too have to become a great person just like him in your life. But now, you will ask me that, ma'am, how we can become a great person? So, students, that we are going to study to learn in our textbook itself with the help and guidance of Shivaji Maharaj, where at the end of the year, surely you will say that, yes, Shivaji Maharaj was really a great person and it is very difficult to become like him. So, students, now let's have a small pause for this session where you got a clear-cut idea, background of history. Let's get ready to have a look on Maharashtra before Shivaji, your first lesson with a fresh and courageous mood. Till then, thank you. Bye all of you. Stay at home. Stay safe.